Hey, Tassif, want to make a voiceover for me?
Yeah, sure. Hey, can I use the sound booth?
¿Por qué?
I need to use the sound booth.
¿Por qué?
Because I'm trying to make a sound effect.
¿Por qué?
So I can get a good grade and pass.
¿Por qué?
You know what? Forget this.
¿Por qué?
Sound effects. Take one. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no, 1%. Should I call for help or should I play Zelda? Zelda? It is day 10 of my accidental isolation. I have no way of communicating with the outside world. My food and water supplies are running low. The bathroom situation is less than pleasurable. These blue lights are really getting annoying. The worst part must be my extreme boredom. I think the only thing that's keeping me sane is knowing that the people of my kingdom are relying on me. I'm afraid of how much time I have left. Day 15. I can't go on anymore. All the food is gone. I've been overthrown by my second in command. I feel as if this will be my last entry. I regret nothing.
Hola.
Thank the stars. I'm free.
What are you talking about?
I've been stuck in the sound booth for like 2 weeks.
It's been a period.
No, it hasn't. I've been yelling and banging on the door for like 15 days.
It's been a period. It's a sound booth. We couldn't hear you.
Oh, yeah. I won't. Well, no one's gonna need this anymore.
¿Por qué?